Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be making floating shapes. All you will need is a porcelain dish, some water and some whiteboard markers. You will take your whiteboard markers and you will draw any image onto the porcelain dish. You can even create any shape, alphabets, or you can draw a fish, whatever it is that you want to. So I've just drawn some hearts and some stars. Next, you will take the water and at the corner you will gently pour the water in. The slower you get the water in, the better, as it will lift the ink off the plate much easier. If the water is being poured too fast, sometimes the shapes can get damaged. So as you can see, the more we pour, the shapes are beginning to lift off the porcelain dish. And now I've just got a dropper and I'm gently pushing the water against the images to help it lift up. Now this step is just an optional extra that you can do to work on some fine motor skill. And now you can just go ahead and squirt water and watch as your shapes float around. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.